Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is AIMAN bin FADZIL and today I will be demonstrating to you guys on how to exercise at home for beginner. Do you ever wonder why do we need to do exercise? How to start exercise if you are a beginner? Well, today in this video I would like to present a simple way to start exercise at home in 10 types of exercise and show to you guys step by step for a beginner to have a decent body mass and a healthy body. Now let's go. Did you know that humans are 99.5% genetically identical? The other 0.5% of your DNA, together with your lifestyle choices, decides how physically distinct you are. Many distinctions are insignificant and irrelevant to health. They include the color of your hair, eyes, and complexion, as well as your height. Other body composition changes, such as body fat, bone density, and muscle mass, can have a direct influence on your health and lifespan. The relationship between body weight and health is overemphasized, whereas in fact, there is a stronger connection between body composition and lifespan. Does it matter what the scale says? Yes, but what matters most to general health is the makeup of that body weight. Lean mass and fat mass are the two main parts of your body. To put it simply, muscles, bones, organs, and water. Your health greatly depends on how these two forms of body mass are distributed. You will be able to put the number on the scale to rest after you comprehend how your body composition affects you and discover how to enhance it. Taking care of body composition is an important thing to take care of an individual's health. Speaking of health care, as a PR practitioner, it has become a habit in maintaining health in daily life. However, some people who are always busy with daily work do not have free time to be filled with strenuous activities such as sports and others. Therefore, the initiative that can be taken is to exercise at home. Now, let's talk about exercise at home. Many of us wish to exercise at home in order to improve our mental and physical health. Some of us might find it a bit challenging to engage in activities away from home. Every physical exercise must be continued, especially whether done at home or outside. In reality, we can work out more comfortably at home using the equipment we already have. Exercise at home has lots of advantages. You may wear any number of outfits. With some of them, as a result, you won't have to stress about selecting the appropriate clothing in terms of style, color, and so on. The way you dress when working out is irrelevant. In fact, wearing the clothing you wear at home will make it more comfortable for you to engage in physical activity. Makeup and looks don't matter much when you exercise at home because you won't have to worry about how others will see you. Working out at home will be more enjoyable. The most important things are your concentration is not disturbed and you will be more focused on what you do when you exercise at home. Have you ever wondered what will happen to your body when we do exercise? There are many things that happen in your body when you start doing exercise. Well, when you're exercising, blood is sent to your skeletal muscles during exercise from your liver and digestive system. Hormones instruct the body to break down fats into glucose, lessen pain, and lift up your mood. The brain produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. When you work out, these contribute to the increased energy requirement of the brain during exercise. Adrenaline levels increase as a result, causing the heart to beat more quickly, muscle capillaries widen, resulting in a 20 times fold increase in blood flow. The muscle in the rib cage help the diaphragm draw in up to 15 times more oxygen than they would normally at rest, since the lungs are also impacted. Breathing deepens while also becoming quicker. 2 million sweat glands that create 1.4 liters of perspiration every hour. The latent heat of evaporation removes waste heat when it dries. When you exercise, large muscle in your arms and legs squeeze the vein that run through them, sending blood back to your heart. It also has an influence on the density of our bones. When high impact and weightlifting workout promote bone growth and slow down the rate of calcium loss as we age and get older. Well, now you already know about body composition, human body reaction when you exercise, and the importance of exercise in daily life. Without further ado, let's get to know the simple types of exercise and ways to exercise at home. First of all, start warming up your body by stretching from top to bottom. Warming up is very important to prevent muscle cramps during and after an exercise. This is because stretching is able to loosen the joint as well as the muscles of the body to perform exercise more comfortably. After finishing stretching, we can start by performing a star jump of 3 in 1 count of 10 times. There will be 10 types of exercise that we can do when we are at home. We proceed our first type of exercise by doing push-ups for 10 times. After doing the push-ups, continue by doing the second type, which is sit-up for 10 times as well. Remember, we try to keep things simple so our body doesn't get into shock and cramps occur. The third types are squat. These types of exercise is able to build muscle and strength in the quadriceps, hamstring, and calves. In addition, it strengthens the mobility of our body. The fourth are kneeling push-up. It is able to strengthen the shoulder muscle and our core muscles. The fifth is dynamic lunges, as it can improve spinal posture and maintains good body symmetry. The sixth is high knee. High knee can activate your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, gluteus, and hip flexors. The seventh is spider crawl. This movement is to train the muscle in the hands, body, spine, and lower leg. The next one is leg lifts. This movement can shrink the thigh, hips, and deflate the abdomen. Followed by plank jack for 10 seconds, and it can strengthening our core muscle. And the last one is knee crunches. This position is able to burn a lot of calories and strengthen the core of the body. These are 10 types of exercise that can be done at home. After exercise, do not forget to cool down. This is important for relaxing the muscle and joints after strenuous activity. Other than warming up, cool down starts from the bottom to up. Alright folks, that's all for today's video. I hope this video can help those who want to start exercising at home. Remember, healthy body comes from yourself. Until we meet again in the next video. No pain, no gain. It's a wrap.